Whoa, 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 yeah. In 1978, the year began. Sake Sowani, born in the jet-set land, by the Nadi airport under open sky, where the silver birds of heaven fly. His parents worked the gates and terminal until the call of home became seasonal. Back to the Tay to work the land. He studied art in Nadi town to grow, seeking for a path that he couldn't know. Security at the terminal was his trade. For many years those were the plans he made. But the runner called his spirit back again to carry the hero through the sun and the rain, working the batik he saw with his hand. City once more he had to go. In Raiwaqa is where the love did grow. And then from Virado was the golden girl, the brightest star in his island world. In Jittu land they built a little home, but the colors faded and she felt alone. Hard life made it difficult to stand. I'm a sweetheart, dear. I failed to provide and keep you near. My life was heavy for your soul to take the weight of it, cause I was born to break. Please forgive my faults and all my pride. I wish I gave you more while by my side. Go to sleep now in God's holy hand. Tarogi ko se Cava na Leqa, Bula, Vakararavi ko sale vedua. Soti usarono gulewa, to voleu me wali na Leqa. Na bovo samada mai lolo, mama ive Sake Sowani. My heart is heavy for you.